Hello. Well, that was cool. So we disconnected and then frame drops and then it was like your stream key is bad. Hello, Kiram. Welcome in. And now we're gonna get ads again because god damn it. God damn it. Ah, pain and suffering is all we know, I guess. Looks okay for now. No drop frames. I refreshed my VPN or retoggled it, I should say. So we'll see if we stay. Oh, I thought I saw drop frames increase for a second. It was like, what? Yeah, bitrate's good. I'm good. We're gonna get ads in a moment, though. I'll probably just keep going through this thing, though. Welcome back, Joelbot. Good to see you. Okay, I'm gonna kind of estimate here some of these medical values. Also, Kiram, since you just joined us, we're making a little bot for like a funny little radiate command. Seems fine now, but it was fine before it exploded before too. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Just a hashtag Twitch moment, I guess. Okay, sounds cool. Yeah, thank you. I think it should be fun. I'm just gonna kind of suss out these millirem values based on these charts. I'm kind of following them, but oh wait, that's not even 10. That's like 15. Is an X-ray really that high? That seems crazy. Well, I guess that's why they say like you get a chest X-ray, like you get more than one chest X-ray every year. A year. That's kind of dangerous, I guess. You went and got a chest X-ray. So we got 80. I don't know. Maybe we do like, well, let's like keep these high and then we'll, before we like start writing things to the database, we'll kind of like run through them and see how often we get these low ones and then kind of adjust from there. Because like, I don't know, a flight is, I don't, this, let's just generalize this. Like you took a LA to New York, that's like what, 5 hours? You took a 5 hour flight. Drink a year's worth of water, sure. You went to got a chest x-ray, sure. That's 15. What else is on here? Excuse me. Nothing really else in this low band. We got B, so that's a dental panoramic. That's crazy. It's crazy how high that is. I've gotten quite a few dental panoramics, to be honest. So that's 70 millirem. Let's just actually make sure we note this. These are in MRAM. Okay, 70 for dental panoramic. You went to the dentist and got a panoramic, nor, how you fucking spell this? Panoramic dental x-ray. Yeah, 75, and then like, we'll do 70, right? This is like a yearly thing, you know, ideally. Go to the dentist, people. If you, I know the dentist can be expensive depending on where you are, but if the pain and suffering of not having good dental hygiene is far worse than the hit to the wallet, I would say. I know people, or I should say, I have coworkers who are like, "Yeah, I haven't gone to the dentist in like 4 years." It's like, dude, you gotta, you gotta get your checkups, man. You don't want your teeth falling out of your head. And then we'll do 100. Dose limit for the public 100 milligrams a year. Yeah. Okay. So this is like this says the limit. I actually what what is the average MRAM dose of a person per year? Personal annual, no. Thank you. There's gotta be like an average, right? Result, the average person receives an average internal dose of about 30 milligram. This is internal. So what is this from like eating shit? Nuclear worker, whole body CT. Uh average US annual dose, 620. Okay. Natural background dose, that's what I'm looking for. I'm seeing. Okay, so this is like, oh, yeah, I don't see it on the. So the green is like if you're a NRC worker, which is, what does that stand for? The hell is the NRC? Thank you for, no, go away. Nuclear Regulatory Commission. Okay, I see. Um, yeah. So 100 is if you're doing work for them. So 310. 310 a year average. Sure. Uh, so maybe we don't do 100. Maybe we just like go straight to 300. Oh yeah, we actually have it right here. Okay. If only I could read, right? National background in the USA. Got it. And then additional for flight crews, and then A and B are still on here. Just as foot holders and the hundreds, that's your, yeah. I guess we include it, right? So you were doing, I don't know, doing NRC. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if I want to include that. NRC does something for the public. 100 RAM, 1 Siever absorbed is radiation times quantity, absorbed is 100 rad equals 1 gray. Yeah, okay. All these units, all these units. I don't know what this one should be. Maybe we just jump. We just jump to 310, right? This 100's like specific to the NRC, it seems, and I don't know. I don't know how to make that funny. So this will just be you were on Earth. Well, I guess more specifically, you were in the USA for a year. Can reduce you to 70 as well. A lot of those can kind of be the same. Okay. Yangzhou, China. It's kind of crazy how some of these places. Well, that's not crazy. I'm assuming these are high elevation areas, so you have less atmosphere to protect you from ultraviolet sort of radiation, which is still radiation. Let's see. Although, so ultraviolet's not ionizing though, right? Don't think it is. Hmm. So the value here, so you took a lot of doses for commercial airline crews. But we have C and D. We can do lumbar sacral spine, which is, where are you on here? It's like 250, looks like. So we can actually move you up. I know I can do the alt arrow key thing, but I'm being lazy. By being lazy, I mean making more work for myself. a lot of U did X things here. We'll probably change some of the wording so it's not so samey. I don't know. You received a, can never spell received. It's the worst word in English in the English dictionary. A lumbar, Rush Limbaugh, sacral spine. I don't know if it's an X-ray or not. I'm assuming it is. Doesn't say, yeah, X-ray films, yeah. Radio tracer imaging? Is that like when you get contrast? 75, 80. It's actually kind of 72, 70, 71. You say 70, yeah. Then actually we'll move you up. Yeah, we'll make being in the USA 69. Why not? Mammogram. So that's right about like 290-ish, looks like. It's probably 300, but whatever. You got a mammogram. 70. Although I feel like that's too high. But again, we'll adjust the weights. But that should probably be lower. A lot of these diagnostic imaging things should probably be lower. Because again, they're less common. Like being in one place for a year and like all that stuff is like, I don't know, that's more sensible. Unless we don't care about reality, which is also fine. Okay, so we got the one in Yangjing, China. So that's about what, 550 to 650? We'll just go flat 600. Make this simple. You stayed in, spell this right, Yangjing, Jiang, excuse me, China, for a year. Less likely, but I don't know. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm drinking a carbonated thingy. E is heart stress. What is this actually? Radio tracer imaging. Radiogram that is used for diagnostic purposes via positron emission tomography imaging technique. Huh. Radiopharmaceutical used. Okay, so it does go in your body. This tracer consists of a positron emitting isotope, radioactive tag, bound an organic ligand targeting agent. The ligand component. Each tracer interacts with a protein target, resulting in a characteristic distribution of the tracer throughout the tissues. Sounds like a lot like a contrast, but the ideal PET radiopharmaceutical should only interact with the protein target and not give accumulation phenomenon. Okay. Fluorine. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Cool. Cool. Learning something new. So you're right about 800, maybe like 790, 780. You underwent a heart stress radio tracer procedure. Yep. coloring these down. Next one's F is a bone. Radio tracer. That is about 940 ish. 940. Should make some of these funny. You what would we say here? I think with bones is funny. Something you had your bones scanned. Yeah, that's good. 65. Oh man, we're not even through how many are there? Six layers. I do want, so why is that 250? I do want a bunch of these. I want like a lot of variation to happen. Can you? All right. Oh. Stretch my bones a little bit. They've not been scanned. So nothing gives 1 rem. So we're up to DOE low dose program. So now we have to convert these. So yeah, EF. So I'd say 1,000. Kerala Coast, India. Okay. That just goes straight to 1,000 on that guy. You stayed in. Let's just do Kerala, India, over a year. 60. I don't know. 64. Again, we'll adjust these. We'll figure out the weights. And then 2, DHS emergency guideline for public relocation. Is that like in the event of like a dirty bomb or something? Or a nuke? Not sure what that actually means. We have I and N on here though. These are CT scans. God, those give a lot actually. No wonder you're not supposed to get those very often. So straight to 2,300. You received a, what do you, just CT scan. Drop you to 60. Wonder if I can do fractional weights, because there's gonna be stuff that's like less than 1%, I would think. For being reasonable. We could be totally unreasonable though, you know. You're really crazy with it. So N is, what is N? Cardiac catheterization. Huh. Interesting. We can omit some of these too if like it's like 2,500. You went and got a heart catheter. Okay. 2,500. Actually, sorry, let me check something. Just want to make sure. Oh. What's up, Basilia? Did that redeem go through? So let me make sure. Scammed unbelievable. I'm sorry. Why did that not work? I tested this earlier. It was like disconnected, but I thought I reconnected it. So welcome in. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Let me not scam you. Uh should I actually wait a second? Why do I not see that redeemed in my chat? Okay, there we go. Bald. Bald. All right, very good. Powerful. Yeah. It's pretty good. The hair and the beard are part of the same mesh, so they go together. It's good. Okay, so we got the heart catheter. What else? Brazil. Brazil mention. How do you say that? Guarapi or Guarapari? I don't know. That looks like a lot. It's like 3,500. That's crazy. That is a wild amount. It's jumping 1,000 millirem already. Stayed in. This will check off the Brazil mention. Pari. You stand for a year. Again, just making these not all the same weight. I will say my head dimensions are pretty good. These meshes for individual happenings, do they accumulate on users? They will accumulate. So Basilia, the what we're doing today is that's not it. That's not it. Where is it? I had an idea for a radiate command where like so you do radiate or you do a redeem. Uh it probably will be a redeem, it'll probably like a once a stream thing. And what it'll do is it'll randomly choose from all these doses and they'll apply to you and you'll have your current dose count and also your lifetime cumulative count as well. And the intent will be once you reach 10,000 rem, which is, what is that? Multiply that by 1,000. Is that a million? A million millirem, right? Once you reach that, you die. And by die, I mean like, I don't know, you get like timed out or something for like a minute. So you stay in Yangjing till you die. No, like that'll be like you what happened, and like that's how your dose will go up, I guess. Also, I feel like living there probably doesn't kill you. If it did, that would be very bad. So what are you complaining about? Was not closed. Wait, what? Oh, is it because of that? Probably not ideal. It's fine. It's fine. Am I doing this dictionary wrong also? Oh, I see. Okay, now we're good. I'm just missing. I've listed death messages too. Ooh, it's a good idea. Hmm. Flew too close to the sun. Yeah. Yeah, we could do that. I kind of want to get the initial value set first, but yeah, that's a good idea. Set a death message for each for if they push over 10,000 rem. Very good. That should be good. And yeah, there'll be like a leaderboard too for like for the cumulative, like the lifetime, as well as probably deaths too, right? For those that like got exceedingly unlucky, potentially. So that should be fun. Yeah, this kind of stems from the idea I had a while ago about like the fake I'm air quoting streaks. However, I'm not in the pool for those. Flare strikes add radiation as well. Ooh. you're cooking with that. That okay, the airstrike will that is going to be a complete overhaul when we get there because we're gonna I want to do that in Godot and have like an actual like fighter jet come in like a whole scene, right? And like a destructible building, different types of ordnance maybe. Like we'll put like a fucking tomahawk, a JDAM, like like all of that stuff. Yeah. Um yeah, we could do different levels of it too, actually. Different redeem levels, like airstrike basic. Sounds like Amazon basic. Airstrike basic. Um and then like advanced ones where yeah, you'd have like a nuclear payload or something. Oh goodness. Airstrike prime. Yeah, like oh my god. That is a long way out though, because I am like not confident in Godot yet in Godot. Um, but I want to get there. I think that that'll be like the coup de grace of what we accomplish here on the TINYMI stream. I think. And then I'll retire and you'll never see me. No, I'm kidding. I won't do that. This is too fun to stop. I've done it since we did the tutorial. Yeah, I mean, I haven't done anything in it. I did a little bit of exploration in Snex Studio, just to figure out like I was really trying to figure out a Twitch auth thing, which they did fix. Although, as you saw, you were scammed. Maybe not. I don't know. Because I did re auth earlier for the stream because I noticed it wasn't connected. I don't know. Uh, but yeah, yeah, we'll get in there. I have a current task that is just like redo the chat window in Godot and have it like in Snex Studio and ideally be able to position it somewhere. That way, because like I'm in a tiny box right here, right? You can see, but ideally having it be the full OBS viewport, like have it transparent, but then like have those elements that are stay on screen. I think would be good. the whole the whole layout shenanigans, I guess. A lot of things to do, and I only stream once a week, so time is, uh, yeah, we gotta get to it. Yeah. So what else do we have on here? We have head CT scan, a lot of CT scans. I don't know how many of these I want to add. Then K, and then G is dual isotope. Yeah, I think we'll do. I think we'll start jumping. I think we'll go to L. We'll go to L for the full body, which looks to be about 72, 7,300, 7,300. Have you been doing stuff in Bevy, Basilia? Anything on there? You went and got a full body CT scan. Full body CT scan just for fun. :3. So up until the 0.15 update, I picked up again after 0.16 comes out. How big are those major updates? Are they pretty substantial? I know like man, some things like they're like minor or like their minor versions will be huge. Like I know Godot 4.4 was a big deal, which I'm not on yet because Snex Studio has yet to upgrade to it fully. A lot of breaking API changes in each update. Oh, so maintaining and refactoring things is a bit of a nuisance. A lot of work going into it. What's good that's being worked on judiciously. But yeah, API changes are always annoying. It's one of those things where it's like you just you deprecate it like in that version, you have the new one, and then like, you know, what, 3 versions later you fully remove it so people have time to like catch up. Yeah. I feel like that's probably the way to go. But if they're not doing that, they're not doing it. In Python break stuff in my dude, don't even God, Python's version compatibility drives me nuts. It's like it's like the major thing that until this point, which because we are doing this in Python, um, just completely put me off because I've set up at work Python environments before, and it's just like, what is happening? Why does this break? Why is there a wheel? Whose wheel is what is the wheel? You know? Why don't use them much? Yeah. Yeah. But if you're doing simple shit like this, like it's fine. But if you're making a whole stack out of it, using like, you know, Marshmallow and whatever the Python API library is, it's like holy shit, you know. The last Python project I ended up using Nix for dependencies. Probably better for it, honestly. Yeah, it's just it's kind of nightmarish. Oh man. So we are now at 10 rem. Nothing else on line 3. So we can go to line 4. Cancer epidemiology, exciting. So 10,000 millirem. So what we're gonna be at. Typical mission doses on International Space Station. God damn. That's not surprising, but it's still like, wow. 10,000 millirems. And that's like not even a year. Like a mission on the ISS is like 6 to 9 months, right? Depending on what they're doing. So this would be so it's anywhere from 10 to 15,000. Let's just go with 12,000. Why were you on the ISS? Question mark. Drop that to 50. Ramsar, Iran. God damn. Are we on the right screen? Oh, thank you. I don't know why, but I keep having to like touch this source in OBS and it's like fucking up. Where are we? No, actually, where are we? Where's my window? There we go. Yeah, I don't know what's this has not happened before. This happened with Snek where Snek will freeze up in OBS, but now it's just like VS Code is being a fucker. Um I don't know, maybe maybe it's because it is the proprietary version. Oh, crash crash DE. Yeah. Jesus. I like KDE. Like it is a very feature rich and robust desktop environment, but the shit that happens and just breaks without like any warning or any like helpful errors is just infuriating. Well, like KDE, the file picker dialog is great. Yeah, Dolphin is pretty good. I don't really have any complaints there. But yeah, it's ugh, we fixed it, but there's still problems. I want to upgrade my computer, not that I need to, but like just because there is, and this is not I don't think this issue it feeds into any of the issues I've encountered with Linux and Arch, but I am 90% confident there is a hardware problem that has persisted since I have been on the CPU since like 2019. Dolphin's file managers were different. Oh, okay, sorry. The file picker, like if you're like uploading something in Firefox. Use KDE Desktop Portal to get the file picker, then with a separate window manager with all the other KDE stuff. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, I don't know. I like most of the KDE things, like Dolphin. Kate is good. I don't know if Kate's specifically KDE, but it's like a nice, quick little file text editor. Um, I haven't used much of their other applications. I use Krita. I guess that's technically KDE to some extent, maybe. But yeah, the widgets are fun. I like the desktop widgets. And the customization's pretty good. But yeah, I want to upgrade my computer because I swear my CPU has an actual hardware problem. So the lore, it's not lore. What am I saying? That is my a friend of mine who was living with me, right? Got me the AMD. Fuck. What CPU do I have? Where's HTOP? Or not HTOP? Process system monitor. What do I have? The hell's in my computer? No. Overview. Does it even tell me? Wait, no, I'm stupid. Let me just do NeoFetch. What do I have? I have an AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. Bullshit, you are not at 4.9 gigahertz. Okay. Yeah. New one are going up to 5000 series. I wanted to go to like the newest AMD card or not card, GPU or the CPU. Fuck, like the top of the line, whatever the new one is. But the hardware issue. So when I was on Windows for the past 5 years on this computer, there was the 9950X. I think I was looking at it like a week or two ago. When I was on Windows, right? I got the new CPU. I wiped Windows. I reinstalled it. Okay, like as you should. And I like Hibernate. I like to hibernate my computer. For some reason, after I swapped the CPU and then wiped everything and did a fresh start, uh I could go and like have Windows hibernate. But the problem was that when I woke it from hibernate, it like hung completely. Never got to log in. It was just a black screen, no cursor, and my motherboard has like the little status lights on it. No error lights, no like because it'll like do the check like RAM, post, BIOS, whatever. Like none of those lights came on. It was good. No idea why. And again, only with that CPU. Is your mobile firmware update? Yeah, it is. Yeah, like multiple BIOS updates, like as the versions came out. Stayed on top of that, and like like every time, just same deal. Hello, hi, Venerak, welcome in. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. This happens on Linux too. No, because I don't hibernate this computer. And in fact, like the computer goes to sleep fine. Although I've gained Klonk's like I don't even know what to call it. His mannerism of like keeping your computer on all the time. You know, hello, controller, welcome in. Good to see you. So yeah, I don't really put my computer to sleep, but um, like I don't even need to hibernate like this machine because I can just like shut it down and like everything starts up as it should, even without it. Firefox opens, Discord opens like to where I was before. Like it's great. There's no issues. So yeah, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's affecting anything else on the current install, but yeah, I think I just want to upgrade, you know, at some point. Radiation, not yet. Also, I think it's radiate. Yeah. We're in development, but we will get there. Do I have do I have radiation in the title? I probably do. Apologies. I kept forgetting what we wanted to call it. Some water. But all the other commands still work. They're all swapped over to TinyMi. But welcome in, guys. We're or fellas, sorry. Uh, we're we're going through the values we're going to be using for the command as you fellas like irradiate yourselves for fun and leaderboard stats, right? Where were we? I think we were on Iran. Externals, yes. Yeah, externals are going to be uh, the commands by Niche Penguin. I don't know if XOR Xavier, I see them in like they're connected to my chat. I don't know if any of their commands work in my chat. Like does meow? No. Do I need the thing after it? Yeah, I don't know. I know, yeah, OS is limited to like certain people, I think. Let me try. Maybe I have it. Not etchy. Echo. Yeah. Yeah, so they're connected, but I don't know if any of their things are procking in here. Bonding game is really taking it honestly is. It's actually getting kind of crazy. Yeah, we got okay, so prods is not in my chat because they also have a ping. Yeah, we got good pong in here. Yeah, it's going crazy. I had one to like Mickey Noon's chat because I was being silly earlier. That's good. Um the last Clonk stream, there were like too many happening in his zone. He asked people to knock it off. uh it's fun. That's good though. Random sleep to Pong. Oh, that would be a good idea. The delayed Pong or ping response, yeah. All right, so what are we on? We're on the big one. We're on staying in Iran. You stayed. I gotta make these like more topical to the country, perhaps. You stayed in Ramsar. Yes, Ramsar, Iran for a year. Wait. 49. We're gonna run out of weights. Maybe. I'm just gonna keep lowering these down by one every time. And again, we'll tune it. Maybe not on stream. I don't know. Kind of want the actual like database and setting things to go once we get a lot of these sets. So what else? Emergency guideline to save a life, 25 rem. That's like a standard interplanetary space background per year. That seems really low. I don't know why, but that seems very low. Having in Ramsar, do they have a lot of natural uranium or something? I don't know actually. I feel like these locations with higher background radiation are probably like I would assume it's an elevation thing, right? Because if you're higher up, you have less atmosphere to block radiation, right? Oh, never mind. Ramsar is Telesh Mala district is the most radioactive inhabited area known on Earth. To nearby hot springs and building materials originating from around them. That's wild. That makes sense though. Yeah, I just assumed these places were high elevation. Oh man, that sounds cool. It's probably awful, but it sounds cool. Because like also look at this the graph, right? You have literally being on the ISS, and then you have living in this fucking place in Iran. Like, and that's higher. That's wild, actually. Good lord. Radon in the stone, I guess. Ooh, yeah, that's bad. Yeah, don't fuck with radon. Fellas, if you ever buy a house and like you're in an area where like radon is of a concern, definitely get that shit checked. Because that is no joke. That will harm you. Okay. Interplanetary space. Man, only 40 to 70 rem? Okay, so what do we think? High or low? Let's do 65,000, right? Also, I'm doing all these in millirem because I don't want to fucking bother with setting a unit value in the database. We'll just convert it all back to yeah. You have 0 for rem. Oh, we should do that. The lowest we have is 3. Because 3 is like you took a flight, right? You took a short flight. That's 3 rem. And I guess on here we have X-ray whole body scan from an airport, and that's less than 1 rem. It's very small. So I guess we could do that. We could do the airport body scan, or just have 0. Just have like 0 and I don't know. You nothing abnormal. I don't know. Took a nap in a lead tomb. Yeah, you took you napped in your lead lines race car bed. There we go. We'll make that like 95. Well, that's probably too high, but whatever. Live in a lead home. You know, unless like you coat the lead in something, um, like really protective, that might be worse than not living in a lead home. Because lead is very toxic. Also, man, that would be so fucking heavy. I don't even think lead could support like if you have like say you have a wall that's like an inch thick and it's lead. It's a lead wall. It's like I don't know, standard drywall height, which is like what is that? 4 feet by eight, 8.5 or something. Couldn't support itself. Yeah, like if you put a lead roof over that of the same thickness, that is crumpling. It is crumpling like a something that crumples. I don't know. When it shoots of any metal, it would be really heavy. This is true. This is true. Yes, but lead is particularly dense. So my backpack full of lead and asbestos in Minecraft. Well, we do know that Steve Minecraft is the strongest being ever. Like what was someone did the math on like the gold blocks, right? It's like so one gold block is a cubic meter, and a cubic meter of gold is like some measure of tons, right? And you can hold 64 in a stack, and then I don't remember how many inventory slots there are, but it's like what 32, 24, something like that. It's a lot of weight. You're gonna carry that weight. So we got interplanetary space. You went Turian's gonna stack some 9. Yeah, Turian. Yeah, we're Turians stay winning out here. You went and visited the Voyager, not Pioneer. We can probably make this one funnier, but we'll just mark. My wit is not here at the moment, I would say. Oh, Turia is so good. I'm excited for I forget the name of it. The Core Keeper devs are making they're making Terraria. Like I won't even pretend it's not, but it's what they're doing. And I think it's gonna be I'm very excited for it. Steel Shield, welcome in. Thank you. God, I forgot I had that emote for Joel. Hope you're doing well. Kiora, yeah. Oh yeah, that's the name of it. Yeah. It's a nice name. I like it. It probably means something in, I don't know, Japanese based on how it's phonetically announced. I don't know what. I stopped my Japanese lessons because I got lazy. I should go back to those. Wanikani is pretty good for learning, I would say, or at least memorization. I couldn't construct a sentence in Japanese, but I could read a sign in a train station, perhaps. So okay, so the 0 to 100 rem range just ends at interplanetary space. Okay. Actually, what is O? Tips procedure? I don't know what the hell that is. Google say it's Hindi. Ah. I always assume shit. Translate to cure. Oh, okay. So they're gonna have like a maybe a corruption type deal like Terraria. Yeah, it's just Terraria. Nah, that's fine. Is this comment breaking things? No, we're fine. All right, layer five. So 100. Okay, interesting. 100 rem charged particle event. Solar flare dose on moon. No shielding. Yo, yo. Okay, so that would be 100,000. That's crazy. How big of a number? How big of an integer can the SQLite integer value store? Can't fucking spell. Because I feel like this number is realizing this number is going to get 8 bytes. But how? How? Okay, so we need use big int. I'm assuming that's what we'll need. Let me just grab that. So I have the thing here. Big, big, next dose. Yeah, okay. Yeah, hopefully that's fine. Surely we don't overflow anything. I'm gonna make this an Aurora Borealis reference. Solar flare at this time of year at this part of the moon. What is it? Come on. 2 to the 63, not big enough for you. Is that big int or is that normal int? I don't know. Maybe it might not be. Who knows? We're dealing with large numbers here. Yeah, that's good. Python is infinite int. Is it? Well, I'm worried about storing it in SQLite. and not like running into like an overflow or whatever. All right, so that's a solar flare on the moon if you're like naked, I guess. Estimated dose for a 3-year Mars mission with the current shielding tech. Okay, so if that's 100 rem, that's like 120? 120,000? So you went to Mars, huh? Change these weights. Let's just drop immediately to 40. So I think we're getting getting to the end of the listing here. All right, what's next? There's a lot of subtext on this you probably can't read. These are like health effects, I think. Yeah. So yeah, early transient skin arrhythmia or arrhythma, temporary epilation. I don't know what that is. I never watched enough House. Human LD, lethal dose. Lethal dose 50%, whole body dose versus lethality. 30% of individuals in 30 to 60 days. Cool. So lethal dose range, acute exposure, no medical intervention is about, yeah, so like 400 some odd rem. I was still up there. God, what the hell is the TIPS procedure? Why is that like, what is that? Oh, apologies. It's not gore, but I don't think people want to see like scientific photos of a liver on the inside. So death at 10K. 10,000 rem. We're doing all the units in millirem though. Transjugular intrahepatic ortosystemic shunt. Wait the fuck. Okay, I can show this. Oh, right, of course. Sorry. Tips relieves the high blood pressure in the portal vein called portal. Sorry, we're going on medical knowledge a little bit today. Current setting of liver psoriasis. Less blood flowing into the liver and portal vein. Why does this give you radiation? Is this the wrong tips thing? Oh, okay. Radiologist special training plays the tips by going through a jug. God, what? That grosses me out. They go through the jugular vein in the neck straight down to the liver. That is insane. I would hope so. People are usually heavily sedated or asleep. Yeah. Yeah, no shit. Yeah, yeah. Hey, doc, like let me be awake as you shove something down my body. Good lord. Cath or like a large egg. If this is grossing people out, tell me to stop, by the way. I'm curious, but I don't want to upset anyone. Pass down the superior vena cava. I remember that. Through the right atrium of the heart. Oh, modern medicine is crazy. Can tips be removed? No, yeah, I would imagine not. Oh, okay. Well, that's cool knowledge to have. Ah, Jesus. I know about like stents and stuff, and like those go through like your femoral artery or something. I don't know. Oh God, any procedure where like they're they're putting stuff like where they literally use your vascular system as a road to position something somewhere internally is just like, ugh, it makes me squirm. Yeah, why can't bodies just work, honestly? Why can't we just be perfect? Okay, so that was fun. Okay. So that's the tips procedure. Um maybe we do add that. That one's kind of funny. Guy is not enabled here, unfortunately. I'm gonna make a note of this. Add tips procedure pro procedure as it's funny. Yes. Yeah, maybe we do that actually. Hold on. We can pivot real quick. Let's grab you. Guy worked. Where's main? My middleware, yes. Be guy quick import. Did you import correctly? You did. Good. See, I love how fast it is to add commands in this too. Guy check command auto schedule worked. Yes. Actually, this is an exclamation point. Yeah, it worked. And then kill. Or now with Control C. Main. Beautiful. What is not saved? I really gotta get TinyMi saying the fucking ad messages. We'll do that later. Okay, so a lot of health things. What is this blue band we'll see in here? Oh, that's the human LD range with medical intervention. All right. So yeah, row 5 is just Mars and interplanetary space. There's also that lifespan study for an A-bomb survivor. I don't know. As much as a weirdo as I am about nuclear weapons, there's a sensitivity that needs to be respected with that topic, obviously. It's not funny at all. Can we get triple messages? Maybe. Could do that. No, it's annoying to do. It annoys me every time, and it worked once. There was one stream after the return where it did not double up, and I don't know what I did differently. I thought it just fixed itself, but I guess not. Oh, also, they're going to chat now. I didn't notice that. Yeah, you ever read first-hand accounts from Hiroshima and Nagasaki? No, actually. Well, I maybe like not like if you're talking about like a book about it, but I've heard like I've seen some notes. Years ago, Hiroshima by John Hearsay that went into a lot of details about. Yeah, yeah. I know it's just bad. It was just horrific, right? We joke on here, about nuclear weapons, like, aha, what if, I dropped a nuke on your house or something. But like in actuality, it's like, no. I firmly don't. I don't know. I'm so like mixed about it. I don't know how to elaborate though. Don't really know what happened. Radiation sickness was totally understood. Oh yeah, like radiation as a whole back then, it was insane. Like no one fucking like we knew we knew about high energy particles to some degree, but we had no idea what they did to the human body to the level we do now. It was like question marks and dog sock. It was like, yeah. Yeah, I remember. Okay, I did actually. It might have been a video or just reading Wikipedia. Um, like there was a radio station, right? That like I think it was from the army, and uh, they like just they were trying to get in contact with Hiroshima or something, and eventually they sent a guy out there. They were like, "Hey, go actually bike over here and check it out." And they got there. We're like, "What the fuck? Just gone. It's the whole city just gone. It's insane." So we're on level 6. Total body radiation therapy, cancer radiotherapy, total doses to tumor. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna sneeze in a second. Excuse me. Ooh. I sneeze really loudly because my dad sneezed really loudly, and I'm quite certain that the decibel range of a person's sneeze is determined by their upbringing from their parents. Bless you, thank you. Or at least that's my excuse. So okay, we're at what level is this? So we're past. So now we're in the millions. We're in the millions of. Okay. I do need to look up how much radiation is in a human sneeze. Probably depends on how much uranium you've eaten that day. I have no idea. Probably none. Ideally, none, I would say. So we're in the millions range now. So that's. So 1,000 is a million. Wait a second. Is that 500,000? Total body rate, yeah, because that's like halfway between 500,000. Total body irradiation therapy. Hmm. I don't know what to write for this one. Like you went and got. Oh, you or spent the day at the radiation spa. Yeah, there we go. This one's 47. Why am I at 39? Wait, what happened here? Oh, we went to 40. So you should be 39, 38. And then whole body acute GI destruction, lung damage, cognitive dysfunction, death certain in 5 to 12 days. Wow. So cancer radiotherapy is just like, I mean, it's targeted, but that's a lot. I gotta look up hmm, how much radiation you are exposed to at the edge of like the shock wave, right? Of a nuclear blast, maybe. That'd be like the last one to put on here. And also like getting hit by getting hit directly by a gamma ray burst. There's a couple things on here that we'll have to look up, I think. But I can do that later. Level is measured in sieverts. Sieverts convert to rem. Yeah, so one sievert is 100 rems. I don't think that's exactly right. I think like there's some nuance to that potentially. Maybe I don't know. So, so yeah, I think I was trying to figure out rads earlier because this medical diagnostics isn't rads, and I guess rads don't convert, or they seem to not convert to sieverts or uh rem. They convert to like grays and curies, I think. That's what I saw when I looked that up earlier. Oh yeah, so what's this is like 6 million? All uses rads, doesn't it? It does. Yeah. And they all have like their uses and their meanings. But I'm just like, I know Curies is like your rate of disintegration. That one actually like from a qualitative perspective to me sounds sensible, but I don't think people really use that for like anything. Actually, no, that's not true. The gamma knife. The gamma knife uses Curies, I think, or at least I've heard it described with Curies. Which if you don't know what that is, it's not just a good King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard song. It's an actual medical device. Can I see a picture of this? You're not going to show something weird, are you? Yeah, that's a good photo. Look at this dude. So yeah, like the gamma knife is for like, as you can tell, it's like for brain cancer or whatever. Uh and all these little, it's a little small, you probably can't see it very well. But all these little cylinders, if I remember correctly, are sources, right? And so there's a radioactive isotope in all of these. And I don't remember what it is, but it's something pretty spicy. Is a pretty spicy boy. And you've got like what, like 100 of them? So it's no joke. It is no joke. So it's pretty cool. I'm sure I remember. What is it? What source does it use? But yeah, Cobalt 60, that's right. I was thinking Curium for some reason. Well, not for some reason, because Mary Curie. Um, yeah, Cobalt 60. Did some spicy isotope right there. So we're doing 6 million. Yes. Oh, oh, are we dying again? Are we here? I see frames dropped. Twitch is being bad today. Seems fine. Okay, maybe that was like a while ago. I just see like 0.2% a few minutes ago. Okay, yeah, that was probably it. I didn't notice. Uh, we already had the stream crash once, and that was annoying. Okay, so 6 million. I'm just gonna do. Oh man, putting cancer radiotherapy on here is kind of sad. That's like a real. That's like a real deal. I don't know if I want to do that. Let's see. Let's try to skip ahead. Oh, I just leak my token. Fuck. Whatever. I don't care. It's whatever. No, it's just my client ID. That's kind of okay. What am I looking for? Um, REMs from a gamma ray burst. It's probably a lot. Is my it's gonna be my guess. Da, da, da. History. Add some fictional ones. Ooh, actually, yeah, maybe some stuff from like Fallout. You had lunch with a Deathclaw. I think that's less a dose of radiation, more a dose of like a claw through your chest. But yeah. Uh so is this frozen? No, we're good. Fallout values. Yeah. I just want to know, like, is there even a I think we just actually just do 10 million as like the final because that's can I count? Yeah. As the final. And this is just because that's 10,000 rem. And according to bring you back up, according to this, you get that much of a dose. That's whole body acute cerebral vascular breakdown in under a week. You're done. You're done. So this will be you were directly hit by a gamma ray burst. Only you. It's your first time using industrial craft too. Oh, is that like do you get hit by that if you get killed by building a nuclear reactor in that? It's not closed. Are we tabbed over too many? Is this am I silly? Been a long time. I don't know if I don't remember if the reactors had radiation or they just exploded. Probably just exploded. Am I missing something? I think a mechanism had radiation at a point. Ah. Am I not doing this right? Oh. Granting is happening within the green zones. A squared D6 and maybe a big book of bug. Yeah, I've heard about this. I don't know if I have time. I'm interested, but everyone else is having fun. Also, do we have to do this silly thing here? How do I just make oh my gosh. I don't really want to convert this to JSON, do I? Yeah, the green circle's growing. So I can't just have all these in an array type field. Does this need to be parentheses? What am I doing? It's not closed. Uh-huh. I don't think I'm missing a comma. Have I tried to have I done this wrong? Could I just put something in between brackets? Is this create an array or a list of dictionaries? Yes. Is it because I'm line breaking? Is this not is what I'm doing not allowed because of indentation? Okay, yeah, because it likes that. What the fuck? To scoop with your console output, everything as a string. Oh, the output is I'm just sending the messages here. I'm just logging the messages with this guy. Should be able to ignore white space inside of arrays and dicks. Should is the operative word. Whether it lets me or not, I don't know. Fuck. I write Python basically turns into Lisp because of how I abuse Lisp operations. So it goes. I'm gonna do this and like maybe regret it in a second. It's fine. Oh, fuck you. Turning on. Oh, okay. If I mentioned that I program for a living, okay, so that's not right. Oh, do you? What is the issue? What am I? Oh, thank you. Okay, well, hold on. Let's undo these. Yeah, I was looking real quick and I was like, thought I saw all the commas. Excellent. Thank you, Basilia. Let's turn that off. Okay, so we have values and we got weights. They're mostly fine. Uh, so now we can use these over here. So, does this make sense? The database. So we're gonna be capturing your ID, and that's actually gonna be another table that's already made. The current dose, big int. Start 0, your lifetime dose, your next dose time, which this will just be um seconds, Unix seconds or whatever the hell, because there's no date type in SQLite, and that's fine. The amount of deaths is 0. Anything else we could add to this that might be fun? Because I think that covers everything. It's uncommon to use, so I can grab it. And I just have, I'm not going to show it because I don't want to accidentally tab over to the secrets table, but I have just DB browser up. Why is current dose going into the database? Is it not just applied? Not just applied. So the way I'm thinking about this, so your current dose will be anything up until you hit 10,000 rems, right? So this is kind of your current what you've currently gained for your current existence. Once you go over 10,000 rems, that triggers a death. And this will go up by 1. But then every time you run this command, you're also adding it to the cumulative dose. So you hit 10,000, this goes up, this resets back to 0, and then your lifetime dose stays the same. Well, it will increase by however much you just got that pushed you over that point, but Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Whether life ended in death. I mean, but you are reborn somehow. Yeah, so like that's it's kind of like a luck thing, is what this, it's like I don't know. See how far, how many doses you can get. Oh, actually, maybe. Hmm. Nah, I don't think that matters. Different thought. Yeah, so I think this is good, and we can modify the table later. Let me run this. Run. Oh, syntax error. Is it that comma? I think it worked. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Turns out SQL is not valid Python. Turns out, yeah. Now I have it over in a different thing. Okay, so we have radiate stats. Okay, so uh oh fuck, we have to write code now. So we got checkman, we got my sigil, we have SQL 3. Do we need date as data module? We need date time, right? Probably, maybe, I don't know. And then what was it? Random, import random, yeah. Or random, enter. That's in the database now. So when this runs in dev, yeah, we're gonna grab those. And let's see. So move you guy here. Fucking tabs. Get the cursor. Is TinyMi C? Yeah, yeah. How do we get data again? Ba, 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 ba. Sure. I think I can just follow this schema, generally speaking. And actually don't want to close it here just yet. Just want to close it once we have everything. Yeah, so we don't want that. We want to grab from radiate stats, fetch all. Okay. Release the bots. I don't know what's happening in Mickey Noon's chat right now. It's fun to be able to like listen in all the friends in the console there. So, and I want to rename these. Probably naming these two verbosely, but whatever. This will be radiate tuple. Unimaniac posted some helpful information on like getting data from this. I tried kind of doing it, but this approach I think is fine for the parsing. Well, we'll see if this actually works. There's nothing in the table right now. Actually, let me just um actually, what the fuck is my thing? Let me no, we can do it live. So it's the tuple, that's the similar to the SQLite 3C API. I see. Haha, see, I see. Okay. Yeah, I haven't used this before, but again, I'm like kind of over the moon about this just being in Python. It's really nice. Whereas in JavaScript, you gotta fucking run an Express server, run an API, and it's on port 3000. It's like, okay, cool. It's just a file. It's just a little file. It doesn't need that. Radiate tuple. Yes, why is Python like this? Whatever. So we get that. Actually, we need to. JavaScript World gives me the heebie-jeebies. Yeah, it's kind of okay. It's kind of fine. So we need to insert. We need to insert. I'm scrolling documentation. Sorry. Insert into with yeah. Except shit. How do we? Guess Python does two for similar reasons. Pip npm, same deal. Yeah. What am I? Why is there talking? Spotify. The fuck are you doing? Get out of here. No talking. My issue with pip, well, I guess it's the same issue with npm. It's packages and shit other people have written. But my issue is like, it's like the dependencies and like the wheel that gets built or whatever. It's like I never knew what that was for the longest time. And I would see it like get built or like fail to get built, and I'm like, what is this? Why is there a wheel? Why are there snakes in the wheel? Are they driving? And I looked it up and I was like, oh, okay. I guess this like kind of makes sense. Okay, so we're selecting that. We also need the other thing. We need users. How do we do a where clause? I don't remember how to write SQL. I don't remember how to write SQL. Where, yeah, okay. Where. It's for like cargo, except for the way Rust users constantly break things every few months. Yesterday I found out one of the major async runtimes was discontinued. Oh, that is unfortunate. What's our database look like? Users has user ID and username. Let's see where user ID is what you just do that. Okay. Instead of EQ, it's just the equal sign, sure. And I want an F. So we'll just yes. So I want cmd.user.id. Yeah, so that should get our user you the user. Not opening my mouth wide enough for fucking tracking to work. Excuse me. Okay, so that gets that. Let's select from again, like the way you did the mouth. Oh, thank you. It's it's just a bunch of shape keys, right? Yeah, like from the original like claymation one. Yeah. Yeah, it's it needs refinement. I keep saying that and I keep not working on it in Blender. Because I'm like I've made this model, like I made this model and I'm so happy with it that I like don't want to change anything about it. Because I feel like it'll break other aspects of it. Uh but I have reference models that someone did that I know for very least the eyes. The way they did the eyes, I think, is really cool. And I should probably do it like that too, just so there's tracking. Because right now I'm just, I'm I'm always looking at you. uh then the mouth. I don't know. The shape keys are not bad. They really just need better tuning. And maybe I need more of them because I just have the vowels. I have A, I, O, U, right? And not Y, because there's actually no Y shape key. Uh, and yeah, I don't know. It's I've tried to like kind of tweak them in the Snack Studio settings, and like I don't know, it just like it becomes too sensitive. It's either too much or too little. There's really no. It feels like there's no middle ground. But yeah, we'll get there eventually. Or I commissioned someone for model version 2. But I don't know. I liked making it. It was a good learning experience, and it was not so bad, you know. So we need the same thing here. Although I want you to check before this because we want to. I hate order of operations. I need the F here. We're naming these the same actually. So we want this will be the user tuple. So I want to get the user and actually, how do we check? So we get a tuple back. Because if this comes back empty, oh, that's wrong. You, this will be user. Because if this comes back empty, we then need to insert into users and then make a new record for them because they'll have a single record as the tracking in radiate stats. So how do we do that? Whoops. Sorry, empty. Fetch one. I guess actually, yeah, we shouldn't be doing that. We should just do fetch one. I don't really have helpers there. Then if, actually, how does the if block work? I have one in main. It's a try. Is it the same format or syntax? Is it, do you gotta do this? Uh, yes, okay. Thank you. If user, I don't know, I actually need this before. Not super clear on what you're trying to do. Okay, so we gotta, yeah, let me explain. You're updating or querying both. So on this command, so if you do radiate, we need to connect to the database and then look for you in the users table because I'm using this as like the qualitative primary key tracking, right? We have one of these in the other database too for Hishvadu. If you remember when we did the location setting for airstrike. So want to check if you exist. If you don't, which is what we're going to do here, this if statement, we're going to put you in to a box. We're going to put you in the room. No, we're going to put you in the database. Then we're also going to insert you in. Sorry, hold on. There's Russian or something. So we're going to put you in there, and then we're going to also insert you in to the radiate DB. I guess that has default values, so we don't really need to select it in this block. It's only if like you already exist, then we have to select. and get you. And then we can update your values based on whatever value we got back from the radiate measures. And then and then this will send the message based on what you got. So I think that makes sense, right? It's just like a bunch of updating and reading from the DB. I'm just being slow because I forget how to do things. How do if statements work? Oh, okay, I see. Create with insert on conflict. So I've been doing it. Yeah, I think we did that. I think we did that in Hishvadu, but hmm. But we need the existing record of them so we can add the values, I guess, right? Unless there's a way in the insert command to just be like add to rather than like getting the value, changing it, and then applying it. Yeah, so this is just like your Twitch user ID. So where user ID equals to, yeah. And that's the primary key. So if user dicts so what is user that would just be like it's basically just like it exists, right? Oh, it did? Oh, fucking why does it do this? Yep, sorry about that. It just keeps happening. For the chat in the console, I would have noticed. Yeah, it's the canary, right? It's our canary in the coal mine. Yeah, okay. So this probably that makes a bit more sense. Oh gosh. Yeah, so I think so that's our if. So we have the user ID. Uh, how do we do else? That's so awkward. I thought you were just clicking the empty where clause over and over. Oh no. No, it's just OBS being uh a detriment. So if we have actually we want to check if we don't have it. Does this work? Nope. Uh Masquerader still showed up just the other? Yeah. What does this give if it's empty actually? Let's hold on. Let's actually just see for experimentation. And I'm just gonna comment all this shit out. And you as well. error while running callback. Maybe just look at this first before converting it. None type, I see. Is that what we get back? None. Okay. So if is that a string? User tuple equals none. Are you tabbed over too much? Yes. None uppercase. Oh, like fully uppercase? If not user tuple? Ah. No, you gotta use type none? Ah, okay. Yeah. Thank you. If not user tuple? Uh-huh. So if not, we'll do this. Not fetch one. Oops. Yeah, I don't know how the the truthy and falsy in Python is, so I wasn't sure. Not object could also be true in this case. Okay, interesting. I think we'll just try this. Then how do we insert to a table? Uh, okay, so this needs to be insert uh, into, I think it's just users. Is that our table? Users, we have user ID and username. Just clear you. Values. And this. And okay. We'll do the CMD dot user dot ID other cow. Then CMD dot user dot name. And then assuming then we just like immediately do the thing. I want to see if this works. Print people. No, sir, did not like it. No such column time, you see? Oh, oops. What was the syntax? I'm trying to find it. So I really need to pee. Uh, create, select, select. I'm looking at an example. Create execute, insert into movie, insert into users, values. Uh, hmm. Oh, I remember this a little bit actually. I don't need to like. I'm looking at a way to do this. We don't have many to execute though. Does that even? Let me hold on. I don't think I have it on screen. Is this gonna? Aha! I think that's the problem actually. Is this like a KDE thing or a? I don't even know. Let me look at what the heck. Yeah, that's that's Niche Penguin's spot. Well, it's their account, but not showing up in the console. Oh, it's frozen again. Sorry. But that's okay. I'm looking at something else because I'm trying to remember. Oh, we did like that. Search a secret's name. Value. What the fuck? Element. So also, I'm. It seems like I think it's when I like open up another window again is what's happening. Actually, where the fuck? Okay. So good draw. So I'm trying to look at the other syntax because it was like it's similar. Oh, do we have to do this? Do you have help? Parameters, cursor, users. I'm looking. So is this what we need to do? So it'd be user ID, lowercase, user name. Flower language and plant symbolism last night. Oh, that's cool. What did you learn? What is the language of flowers? Love or beauty or something like that. I know what is it? Is it lilies? Is it lilies that are death? I remember something similar along those lines. Maybe colt's foot, justice shall be done. That's pretty good. Red spider lilies are. Those are death. That was white lilies or lilacs. I think it was something. And then like yellow flowers or yellow in general, like that color has a some kind of connotation. Rhododendron was like, beware, I am dangerous. Beware, I will destroy you or something. Yeah, this is weird. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, is it because... Oh, is this a function? Is this... Hold on, let's try this. Let me drop you. Let's put you down here. My legs were so beautiful. Oh, I see. I don't know what the hell Return Homebrew is saying. I thought you were still talking about flowers. It's like, what? Yeah, maybe I should disconnect Mickey Noon's chat. I don't know. I did it for the bit. Like that's the only reason he's connected because there were many bots happening yesterday in his stream. He was like, "What the fuck is happening? If you're botting, if you're using your user account as a bot, like you got to get out of here." Whole thing is made up, so we could say flower means that. Yeah, we could. No such calm time. You see? Okay. Okay. So do we try this with that? I'm looking at the docs and I don't know. What am I doing wrong here? I'm looking at the Python, like the SQLite 3 docs. Actually I can show this. Sorry. On conflict do update. We're not conflicting though. Like there's nothing in this table. It's just I'm like my column. I don't know. My column's wrong or something. User ID not username. Yeah. So I mean I'm looking at the docs, right? So we got there's execute many, which is like kind of following this syntax I'm trying to figure out. But if I go up to the first example, so execute. Oh, do we need these? Oh, does that really matter? Fuck you. Time into the browser. Oh, we're back. I didn't even have to reset it. Oh, I think it's just when I click on the other instance of VS Code I have open, or mainly, or something. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Is three double parentheses? Is that just letting it be multiple lines of what we're reading here? Am I stupid? I'm feeling stupid. Yeah, we have users. User ID. Their name, their text, an integer. Still real. Okay. Insert into user. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, what if we just try it like that? Yeah, insert into thing, values, values, yes. Okay, actually that's a problem. How do we convert a string to a number in Python? Is that built in or do we need to import something? Nope, that's just straight up built in, I guess. Very cool. I don't think that'll fix our error, but we'll see. God, that scared me. Boss Gans, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Hope you're doing well. My alerts always always make me jump. I'm never expecting them. No such calm time, you see. Uh, I mean, maybe we need to just do the many. I don't know. I don't know. It's always the simple things I get stuck on. Yep, no such call. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Is there any other examples in here? Insert, open transaction, which needs, yeah. We have all this set up. We got the cursor. We have an ad break. Go away, get out of here. DB connection, cursor, her.execute. We're doing that. There's something else after. Like there's no. Yeah. It's just executing that because it's not different. Call con commit on the connection. Commit pending transaction to the database. Auto commit is true. There's no transactions, but that does nothing. True legacy. Oh, what is the default though? Actually we have an ad break. I need to use the restroom, so we'll be back in a moment. I assume we're back. I don't actually have the timer up in my chat anymore. Okay. Despite the docs, I think maybe this will work. I don't know. So our column names, and then whatever these mean is the value substitution or something. And then the values as the next parameter. And then we have to actually commit them. So next we'll just tee this up. No, not dn, db. Type, which I cannot usually. Dot. Oh yeah, I could just set that to true, right? Property. Will that work? I assumed it would be default true, but who knows? So can we set this up here? Will this work? Will this potentially work? Are we real? Yeah, okay. I didn't check that before I came back. Kill that. Go in. Radiate. Oh. Yo, it worked. Okay, cool. Goodness gracious, that took a while. So, okay, so if we're not real, we'll get that. So if we run it again, we shouldn't get an update. Yes. Wait. Yes, 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 we're good. Okay. So, uh-huh. And then insert into, actually, hold on. That's the tuple we get. Yes, yes, yes. So we insert into that. And then we also want to initialize our guy. So actually just copy this whole dang thing. Again, we're auto committing. It's good. Actually, let's keep that. Actually, let's replace it. This one. Select from radiate stats where user ID equals yes, yes, yes. So we can do. I'm sorry, I'm kind of blocking this, aren't I? Select from the fuck. From our radiate stats. Sorry, insert into. Insert into that. What are our values again? I know some of them are defaults, but whatever. User ID, current dose. God, these, I made these way too long. Let me word wrap this. Cumulative, lifetime dose. Next dose time. Which again, we might omit that, but we'll keep that for now. At least give me some practice with Python dates or something of that nature. Ooh, I gotta stretch. Okay. And deaths, yeah. And values, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cumulative dose :3, yeah. I'm just a little bit silly with it. A bunch of these. Not too many. Oh, it's 5. And the user ID, not the username. We're going to be defaulting a lot of these. So this will be initial. And that's, I have these as defaults, but whatever, we can be verbose. Oh, my cord turned off. I was like, what the fuck was that? I'm gonna turn it back on. Sorry for the DC noise. Yeah. So current dose 0, lifetime dose is also 0. Can you do that question mark thing with F strings? Yeah, we were doing that initially, but like it did not like it. It's why we were getting the error on the column TINYMI does not exist, I think. Because this is like the data payload, and then it's just like substituting it in. I don't know. It seems like, and I recall this. I recall this from. I'm not gonna click on it because I don't want to reset the thing. In Hishvadu with the the SQLite database connections. Like it was a weird syntax like this where like you were subbing in the values here, but then like they were part of this payload thing. I don't know. It works, so I'm not going to complain. Yeah. These are all just 0. Yeah, I'll just start 0. Excuse me. So we insert you here, and then we insert you here. Excuse me. And then we select where. Yes. Just get the tuple back. Kill it. Load it. And then radiate. Did not run. Hmm. Did it? Browse data. Radiate stats. No. Just popped in to see you attempting to make unlikely SQL injections on line 14. Just use placeholder, question things, and execute always. Line 14. Oh, I think I kind of see what you're saying. Also, these don't actually need to be doing this because I'm not actually. Are you saying this? So this will accept. Actually, also, did we? Failure make command user to ID something user controlled. There are strings near SQL. Better to not think about this. I see. Yeah. No, that's helpful. So look like you're saying so this. So this works. Yes. So kind of weird that this actually went in. What did it? Hold on. Users, me. Did it coerce this down to a integer without me doing the thing? It's interesting. I didn't recognize that. I see. Okay. Got it. Got it. Thank you. Yeah, so why did you not execute? I guess we just try it again. And auto commits true, so it should go through. Radiate. Error. Yeah, alright. Perimeters are of unsported type. Wait a fucking second. Maybe not. Oh, wait a second. I'm making a tuple. I want to see. Let me see if it does it with the parentheses around the argument, maybe. Even though we're not doing multiple. We'll see. But I imagine you probably are right. Okay, yeah. And we'll try that without it. Unsupported type. Is it really? Is it really fine with a string? Friends here do nothing, though. You'll need square brackets or funny X syntax. Say this is one tuple, not a bracket expression. Around which guy? I guess. Oh, okay. Well, it's weird that it like worked before without coercing it. So that might not actually. I think that maybe this will just work, right? Bindings on. Hmm. In the parameter list. Yeah, okay. Okay. We will do this. I just want Python to be happy with me. I can't spell. The fuck? You silly commerce. Okay, okay. Sorry. I'm like, we've been here a while. I'm fading. I'm fading. So like this. So I think I call it like an angulus, like banana bracket or something. Um, where am I? Where the fuck am I? Oh, I don't know Python. I don't know Python. Made a list like doing the inner params, but they do not harm. Okay. Cool. All right. Thank you. But now, woo, no accept. Yay. Okay, but now, okay, and we should change this guy as well. So do the funny thing. And I'm just gonna keep the same syntax, even if it doesn't matter. It makes me comfy. It's like a big jacket around the parameter, nice and cozy or something. It's like for radiate stats where user ID equal to det. Yes. Which one? But you're not executing, are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Um, so it's because we're now inserting something in the primary key list should work, right? User ID, username, and then radiate stats. We ain't got shit. Ain't got shit. SQL, and what do we do? User ID is primary key on conflict plate references users, user ID on delete, no action, no updates, no action, match simple. Wow, that's fucking verbose. Verbose indeed. Yeah, it's weird. It's just like not even going through though. Let me do this. Just move it out of the if statement real quick and comment that guy out. We should get none, right? Because we're not even in that. Correct. Okay, so it's running. We're inserting into it. I did spell this right. Wait. Radiate stats. Yes. Okay. I don't know if this is like a precedence thing or like I can't just execute, and then like expect it to work or not. We are auto committing true, so I shouldn't need to, commit after each thing. Hmm. We're trying. So we're trying to. So this was working. So basically, oh, I'm stupid. I see the problem. It's because we're never actually reaching this. Because we exist. We exist already. Okay. So, okay, yeah, this is. We're trying to write to this and then get it. So because I exist already, we can just do this. And I just want to populate myself. Actually, no, fuck it. Fuck this. I'm gonna delete. Okay, I was about to say something worse actually, but I caught myself. I'm gonna delete myself from the database. You be gone. Delete record. Rate changes. Okay. Yeah, okay. We're trying to just put a user in the users table if they don't exist. If they don't exist, we also know they don't exist in the radiate stats table, so we're going to put them in there too. After we've made them in the parent table, or I guess the lookup table, and then we want to get them back. I guess we can do that outside of this though. Get them back so we can update their stats. And I realize this isn't running because I already existed in this table. So this should run. Once I did I save? Just kill it. Just kill it. Run it. Oh fuck. It broke again. Pain and suffering is all I know. Maybe I need to try one of the other window capture things, but last time I tried using them, they did not work. Like it's like the X composite one's the only one that's valid. Ah, how many bears? Whatever is happening in Final Fantasy 2, this sounds quite exciting right now. Yes, so we can just go. Nice. Okay. So that's our tuple. Why does my ID look like it keeps getting longer? Is that a normal ID length? The fuck? Okay, good. Good. So not in tuple, do the thing. And then, yeah. So then we can get that. Close these. And I want to see this guy. Oh, rent. Nope. I don't want to print. Radiates tuple. Or, no, sorry. Radiate dict. Yes. So select, it'll be me. And I want to get all the properties back. Um, mm, okay, failed. Fair. Now convert dictionary update sequence element number 0 to a sequence. Why did this work in main then? Because I'm doing fetch all. Fetch all gives me a list of any. And what do you give me? Fetch one. Oh. Well, I guess it's already. So wait, do I need to? I mean, I guess we can just do fetch all here. It doesn't hurt anything necessarily, right? So I just want the property value or the property keys to be set. Okay, maybe not. Some very dictable. Yeah, it's because it's like zeros and yeah. Yeah, it's just like all numbers. Okay, so that's what we look like. So let's just keep it on fetch one. Uh, how does indexing this work? We just do. Huh. Is there a SQLite operator I can use? I don't even know what to look for in the documentation, to be honest. What if we do? Actually, this is breaking on? No. So I want the row as a key value format to help my smooth JavaScript brain. How the API for SQLite works, but you may be able to use a dict cursor. Alternatively, just do user ID current dose equals radiate tuple. Do we want, but specify columns rather than use star in that case, though. Okay. Let's do. Huh. Uh-huh. Miniature miniature Misi. Is this really your first message? Welcome in, Yellowberry. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Thinking maybe something like dict zip user ID current dose radiate tuple might work. Why? Never catching in your live. Same. Like, but we are on different coasts, so it does make sense. And I've been going to bed like really early lately. I'm on that 5 a.m. grind set, or trying to be. Yeah, welcome. We're trying to we're attempting to write Python. For a funny little command where you can get some random dose of radiation in millirems. Uh, yeah, I still don't fully grasp dicts and well lists. I guess make a little bit of sense. I just like arrays. Just put things in arrays. Python. What are we doing here? But yeah, look quick. I'm not sure how quite it works either. I guess we could try that syntax and maybe yours as well, Bazelia. Um, Gosh, it's like it's so there's so many fucking steps. Yeah, it's just like I don't know, thing in parentheses, and I'm like, is that like what is that? You know, parentheses are for putting function parameters into, not data, not in my mind. So, okay, I understand. Maybe. So take you to here. Oops. Could you select the whole term, please? Jesus. But then what is my object? uh, use square brackets rather than parens. Everywhere you're using parens to mean list, brackets would work fine. Okay. So this is equal to that, but then how do I use it? Unless like, does my tuple become this? Or am I being silly? You don't need all the quotes. Do I not? It was like complaining though. Okay, never mind. uh, Using zip would turn into a list of pairs, and Dick would turn that into KV pairs. It's going for destructuring. Okay, yes. No, I don't necessarily want this destructured. Um, okay, let me grab let's look at multiple methods here. This is a good learning experience, actually. So dict and zip and then we're gonna combine by the powers combined of the very helpful fellows in here. And then this would be help me. Wait, no, I want uh in that case you'd want the quotes on the zip. Fuck. Okay, we're good. We're gonna do it. We're gonna get there. We're gonna we can get there. Oh my god. I was having this problem yesterday too, and I was setting up, and I was like, why are lists like this? Why are dicks like this? Like, what is? Okay, perfect. That's exactly what I want. Thank all of you. Thank you to all of you. Uh, how many people does it take to make something that looks like an object roughly in Python? And it's apparently three. Okay. So we have this, we make the thing, we'll do radiate dict. Oh, now we can do values. How does random? How do random? So we have, oh fuck me. Hoping all these things I made are not going to be wasted. Sorry, I'm reading documentation. Okay. Getting a random value. I don't want to use numpy. So what is on our random guy? Random dot. Okay, well, gamma variate. What are these words? V Von Missel variate. Oh, wait, is this real? You have triangular. I am triangular. Or no, it's rectangular. Never mind. Gaussian distribution. Very cool. Not what we need. Let me just look at Python random. Let's see. It says random dot choice. Choose a random element from a non-empty sequence. Is a sequence a... Oh, what can we use as a sequence, I guess? We need to import this guy. From models dot radiate. So you're... Oh. You're a list of dicks. I can't say dicts. I just keep saying dicks. I will never be able to. I should just say dictionary. Dictionaries. Okay. Do you like that? You're not complaining. Test R&D. Nice dick. That's Python. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty real. So we got nothing out of that. Okay. Not an empty sequence. I guess is a sequence something like a specific structure. Helps to spell it right. Uh, oh, okay. I thought I spelled something wrong in the code. I was like, wait, did I misspell print? Yeah, you really gotta enunciate the T in it. Yeah. Dicta. It's tricky though. I can't like do the T sound without like the at the end. I don't know. Dick two. Holy shit. That's good. Random real generators, sequences, pick random element, pick random sample sequences. Do I need a sequence? Do I need to make a sequence? Is this oh, for integers, there is uniform selection from a range. For sequences, there is uniform selection of a random element. Huh. We do want the weighting to kind of factor into. Huh. Ha ha ha. Yeah, that should random dot choice. It's a list. Do I need to do that? Sorry, I'm looking at dot. We don't even have dot values. What? I'm feeling foolish. It's making me want to work with JSON. Just turned into JSON, but doing that earlier with the authentication thing was kind of weird. And I kind of feel like I should do this the proper way, the Python way. Pythonic, as they say. Do they say this? I believe you. Oh, now I'm thinking of JavaScriptic. It's like being cryptic. Yeah, this works with just numbers. Fitting for JavaScript, yeah. But how does it work with a array of dictionaries or a list of dictionaries? I should say. Get random dictionary pair. Hmm. Did we? Is this format the wrong way? Because if each one of these is a dictionary, right? But huh. The examples I'm looking at are like they're like getting the value from within. Looks like a fine shape to me. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out like how does random actually pull? Because I don't want to like get I don't want to like do randomly get like this key and this value. The value within. Welcome in Maridine. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Trying to figure out how to fucking get a random value. I don't know how this works. My intuition is like it's not complaining about what I'm giving it, so it should give me something back as a return value, but trying to get your random, you probably want X value for X in measures. Turn it into a list of the values. See, that's what confuses me. Look, okay, because like it is already a list, right? It's a list of dictionaries. Random one of those dicks. But that's what I want. I want to like get one of these. It's not using your weights. That is yeah, I guess it's not okay. Yeah, I saw the thing earlier. I was looking at it about the weighting. Is you can usually do like choice with cumulative weights or whatever. 4 in is probably the most common thing in Python. I don't think it's like it's not convoluted. It just like feels weird that you have like it's necessary sometimes to like just convert data around, I guess. That's kind of how I feel about it. So your thing is right, but you want the thing I said with the weights as the weights param. Yes. Yes. So which one of these is the weighted one? Choice is has a weight. Is that the other thing with a weight actually? So random choices. Toro, we need to chain it. See, that's one thing about JavaScript I like is that you can chain shit together pretty easily. So we need choice is because we need to use weights. Oh hey, documentation. Wow. Def choices. Population supports len and get. What the fuck? Case size list of population elements chosen with replacement. Candidate weights are not specified. Equal probability. Oche. Data converter cake. Yeah. BRB. Yeah, so so did I do this in a way that makes this more hard or more difficult? So we need to all like get the weights out and form that into a list so we can use the thing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm like falling asleep. This was I thought this would be a quick stream. Well, maybe not that quick, but no, I think we need choices, right? Because I was looking at the docs. Let me show the docs. Because like there's choice and then there's choices, and choices has the weights, and then we can just specify the return as one. Yeah. And looking at this page, like this is the only thing that mentions weights. So I think that's what we need to use. Um and this is our population, I guess. I guess. Um I just wanted to look at something with uh list of dicts. dictionaries. Yeah, that's not helpful. That was so bright. Why did I look at that? Probably want test R&D equal, and on package, you're getting a list of one dictionary back. Hmm. I'm syntactically probably not following that. Oh shit. Mickey Noon. Welcome in. Welcome in, Raiders. You don't raid. You do sometimes. Can we do the thing? Hope your stream went well. That was so loud. Apologies if that's like horrendously loud. It's kind of intentional. How did I manage to lose the yo? I feel like a zoomer. How is Final Fantasy? Audible click. It's only in your chat, Mickey Noon, I'm afraid. It is in a box. The separation of concerns is very very real. But thank you for the raid. Uh we're struggling to pick a random value from a from a dictionary of, or no, a list of dictionaries. Uh because I don't know Python. You got a chocobo? Wait, only for a couple seconds. What happened? Did it die? Can they die? I don't even know. I don't know anything about Final Fantasy. That's good though, I think. But I hope it was a good time. It ran away. Oh, it's like Pokemon. Or I think, I don't know. Well, thank you for the raid. And if you gotta take care of things, if you gotta eat, if you gotta water yourself, like feel free to raid and run. Um, we're kind of just for everyone's here. I always don't know how to do this thing. I'm Taimisi. Many enunciations exist on how to say that with exclamation point enunciation. I'm a guy. I'm a guy in here. I do things. I do Blender. I do code right now. I guess I game sometimes. Generally we're just kind of hanging out, having a good time, making stuff. And we're working on the radiate command right now. The intent here is like you can do exclamation point radiate. You can actually do it right now. It'll just add you to a database, which is actually good. Um, but you do it and you'll get like a random dose of radiation in millirems. And if you get past a million, or sorry, if you get past 10 million, you die. You die forever. That is what we're doing. And we're kind of close. We're kind of close to getting there. It's just like getting this random value. is what I'm pretty stuck on. Because again, I don't quite grasp the structures in Python just yet. So we need the weights. I could just be lazy and copy all of these, but I'm just gonna kind of tee this up. Uh, weights, cumulative weights. Do we need that? Or do we need this? And then do I actually have to do k equals 1 here? K int equals 1. Now it's default to 1, so it don't matter. I guess we can just see if, like, with no weights, if this just works, right? No, it doesn't work. Takes from 2 to 3 positional arguments, but 4 were given. I did not provide 4 arguments. What are you talking about? There's gotta be a way to like live reload this, but maybe not. Number of ways to not match the population. Okay, what if we just don't even weight it? I just want a value. I just want a value, man. We can forego waiting until that is actually resolved. Or not even resolved, until I figure it out. Okay. Okay, we got a value. We got a value. This okay. I'm happy with that. So we have a value. Uh What are you? You're still that. Are you indexed at zeros? Do I know anything about how this works? Okay. So what was I using this for? Oh, right. We need to use it on the insert. Okay. So then we can do this. Insert into, and we'll do this guy. Yes, technically we can just keep using the user. And then sorry, breathing. I apologize for my breathing. So we need this. And so current dose, is there a plus equals? God, tell me there's a plus equals in Python. Please tell me. There is, okay, God. Plus equals, is that even? Hmm. Uh, Test random. At 0 at, we want a value. Oh, wait. No, hold on. No, we need to do that here as well. Current dose. Someone please scream at me if I'm, wait a minute. Was not closed. Maybe we just kind of make consts here just to make this a little bit easier on ourselves. So we have the random value. We'll do, yeah. This will be you at current dose. Plus test R&D at 9, 0 at value. And then we got lifetime, and then next deaths. I'm not going to shorthand that to come. Cumulative dose. I will not. I will not stoop to the level of the Python. The Python maintainers. Yep. Plus the value. Pip install Python. If only. If only. Does that work actually? You can't install Python with pip, I don't think. Be news to me though if you could. That's I don't know, Lamau. So deaths would plus no, we need an if statement here. Actually, fuck. So it wouldn't be that even. It just needs to be +1 if event. Badge in progress, yeah. So if current dose is greater than or equal to where is the thing? 10 million. So deaths plus equal 1. Okay. Cumulative dose. Hold on. So ID, current, lifetime. Next, and deaths. Sorry, that's gonna like just show a bunch of messages. So then here can do star and B. Actually, what was it? Yes, the value. Fuck me, where is that? Or no, we want the message. Message, yeah. So auto schedule message, comma, received. Value. Actually, we want to do this first. Well, no. We'll do the conversion later, but it's all in millirems, so we can just do that. So, comma, received, current, oops. This is a long message. Current. And this will be our current dose. Excuse me. Had a little bit of grammar. No, not grammar. Formatting. What scored the game? When? Now or later? Welcome in, Machka. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. I think we're on the last, unless something errors here. I actually think we might be there. We might be there. Let's find out. Let's see here. Radiate. Good mammogram. So 290 RAM, current 290. Okay. 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 Database. Go to database. Radiate stats. Ladies and gentlemen, fellows, you may now radiate yourselves. With exclamation point radiate. And please, someone do so I'm not the only one testing this. I need to make sure it's all working. Okay, it doesn't work. It doesn't fucking work. Why? Wait, what is happening? Radiate now. Yeah, actually, why? That's weird. Are we hitting some kind of thread thing? It should not only work. Oh, nope, nope, nope. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. The middleware. I didn't change the middleware. My apologies. All right, cool. So enter, restart. Now you can go. Nice. Okay, you got an X-ray. All right, good, good, Meridine. Let me check the stats. Yeah, you're in there. Well, actually, that's not surprising because it's not weighted at the moment. But congrats on the first death, liquid cake one. Oh my god, that's incredible. I gotta get the weights to work. I need to we need to do the thing to pull the values up. But I'm happy. I'm happy that it is running, and I'll refine a bit off stream because I am collapsing right now. Oh my gosh. I can't believe you got the one. It does work though. It increased your death count by one. That's very good. Let me see. Could someone do it again actually, just so we actually go up in value on someone's? You got a mammogram? That's what I got too. Let's see. Okay, good. You're at 360 now? Okay, excellent. All right, this is perfect. Oh my gosh. I'm really glad it works. Uh, this is so much fucking text. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay. I think I think we can find someone to go to. Do I grow an extra leg while chatting here? It's possible. It's entirely possible, Mickey Noon. You'll get your third leg, as they say. Where am I going? Where am I going? No, go to Twitch. Wicked. Yeah, I'm actually we're gonna add, where is it? We're gonna add some funny messages in here. Like I was pulling these all from the DOE, like or like radiation dosage chart, but we'll put some Fallout things in here. Lol question mark. It's a good reference point. Like these are all kind of accurate. Like we got like, you stayed at this this one. Basilia looked this up. Where was it? This place. Ramsar, Iran. Living here for a year exposes you to about 20,000 millirem, which is a lot. That's a lot. Given your yearly dose, like in the US, is 310 average. Uh, because apparently, like all the stone or something, I guess, like that people have made, buildings out of in this location, is local or something, and it has a lot of like radioactive material in it. And there's a lot of like hot springs in the area, which are like gonna pull stuff to the air. Um, but yeah, yeah, I think we're good here. I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy with the entire project. Tiny Misi is already like so good. I'm very happy to be moving away from my account being like the bot message guy. I'll be adding more to this as we go on. If you want, I can pretty easily add people to the middleware here. Mickey Noon, you're already on one for just that one command. But if you want Radiate available in your chat as well, just let me know. Just gotta add your name to this. Shit like that. Anyone who streams really, if you want this. This bot, although will probably be down for a little bit. I need to reset up my Raspberry Pi, and then I will run it from there. That'll just be on all the time, just so it's not running on my desktop, right? Just because it's not necessary. Um, God, I'm like, my boys, my boys. But yeah, this has been fun. This has been a good learning experience. Thank you so much, Lego Cake and Basilia and Yellowberry for like helping me understand how Python works. It's so, oh my gosh. Uh, but yeah, we will be back. Actually, no. No, we're never coming back. No, I'm kidding. Next weekend, or this coming weekend, I should say. Um, I'm busy. Unfortunately, I might be able to squeeze something in Saturday. If I do, it'll be like a gaming stream. But otherwise, that weekend, this weekend is booked up for me. So I'll see if. Oh wait, actually no. Hold on. No, we're doing Ina. Sorry, I forgot. We're doing Ina Dream Barbecue episode 1 on the 27th. And I think we're doing that at 5 p.m. EST. Uh, so yeah, that should be a good time. That'll be this coming week's stream actually, and that'll be good. I'm very excited for it. If you don't know Ina, look it up. It's ENA, right? Like this. Very good like short internet series on YouTube. There's all this stuff about it being airstriked. No, not Tiny Misi. We got double audio on that again. That's fine. At least it's audible. Heard as Ina and was rather confused for a moment. Oh, it's pronounced Ina or Ina. Both actually, I think work. But yeah, Ina's very good. So we'll be doing that. We'll be doing that on Thursday. That's when it comes out. But for now, let me just pull it up just so I have it running. I think we're gonna raid someone most of us know. So I've not raided them before, and they're playing a game that is kind of dear to me. We're gonna raid. I do the thing. Raid. Did I spell the name right? Yes. We're gonna say hi to Digishell. Digishell's very cool. Very good streamer. She's playing Arctic Eggs right now. Crazy good game. Crazy good game. Say hi, be nice, hang out. Raid with uh is By the Light of Adam too long? I was raid with Joel. We'll raid with Joel. Joel's on point since I've been doing the business cards, right? So raid with Joel. I'll see you on Thursday. Thank you all so much for hanging out, for chatting. for helping with this. And there'll be more. If you have suggestions for additions to the bot, do let me know in the can I do the thing? I'll do the thing Discord. In the Discord. And yeah, I will see ya on Thursday. Thank you all so much. Bye.